Welcome to the video of Alternative Academic Calendar for Students Learning Outcomes. Child classifies objects into groups based on a few physical attributes such as shape, size, and other observable properties including rolling and sliding. Child recites number names and counts objects up to 20, concretely, pictorially, and symbolically. Child describes the physical features of various solids shapes in her own language. For example, a ball rolls, a box slides, etc. Child works with numbers 1 to 20. Child counts objects using numbers 1 to 9. Child compares numbers up to 20. For example, tells whether number of girls or number of boys is more in the class. Then week 1. Theme pre-number vocabulary. Student can be asked to observe different contexts and situations from the immediate environment, such as things that are inside, outside their room, kitchen, house, etc. Where is the cow? The cow is standing outside the house. The dog is standing inside the house. The cat is standing outside. The cat is standing inside the house. The camel is outside the tent. Now, where is the camel? The camel is inside the tent. The student may be encouraged to use spatial vocabulary concepts like top bottom, on under, inside outside, above below, near far, before after, thin thick, big small, etc. Where is the child? The child is sitting on top. Where is this child? This child is sitting at the bottom. The bird is sitting on top. The rabbit is at the bottom. The bird is on top. The cat is at the bottom. There is a cat above the stairs. There is a dog below the stairs. Where is the cat? The cat is on the table. Where is the rat? The rat is under the table. Where is the boy? The boy is sitting above the table. Where is this boy? The boy is sitting below the fan. The bird is nearer to home. The bird is farther. Grandfather is running. The boy is running before his grandfather. Grandma is coming after grandfather. This is a thin book. This is a thick book. The boy is thin. The man is thick. Thin, thick. Bigger. Who is bigger? Lion is bigger. And rat is smaller. Now who is bigger? It is smaller and it is bigger. Deer is bigger. Match the bigger animal with the smaller one. Circle the biggest animal. Circle the smallest fruit. The student can be asked to identify and compare things around them. For example, the things which are near, tall, short, thick, thin, etc. Circle the eagle that is near. Circle the boat that is far. Circle the tree that is far. Circle the camel that is near. Tall, short. Circle the tall tree. This is the tall tree. Now say, circle the short animal. This is the short animal. Circle the taller one. The student can identify the differences and similarities between objects through different senses, such as touching and seeing, and not limited to one sense. Match the objects that have the same colors as given. Circle the round objects. Now say, what is the taste of these food items? The student can also be given worksheets emphasizing such activities. These worksheets should give students multiple ways of expressing themselves and engaging with the objects around them. These are the examples of some worksheets. Week 2 theme is classification. The student may be asked to collect a few objects on a table like pens, pencil, color, eraser, sharpener, or other materials of cloth, paper, wood, glass, plastic, grains, pulses, spoon, magazines. It must be ensured that these objects are of different colors and shapes. The student can be asked to classify them into several groups. The student may categorize objects on the basis of colors, shapes, size, utility, or any other features that are observable and accessible by them. Put red color objects in the given box. Now put all the red objects here. Match the objects with their shape. Observe the size of the given fruits and match them accordingly. Student may be asked why they have placed an object in a particular group. This will help the student in describing the criterion on the basis of which she has made that classification. The classification may also include segregating three-dimensional objects based on their physical properties like round, flat, having corners, rolls or slides, etc. Circle all the pictures which are round. Circle all the pictures which have corners. Identify and write each object that can roll or slide. Let the student now form only two groups of all the above objects. Ask the criterion on the basis of the formation of such groups. A. One such example can be that of objects belonging to a student's school bag placed in one group and the rest in another. B. Second example would be that one group has objects of a particular color in one group and rest in another group, etc. Which things you put in your school bag? Week 3, one-to-one correspondence. The student can be asked to take out as many bowls, spoons, plates as there are members in the house. The student may be asked to button up a shirt focusing on the one-to-one correspondence with the button and the buttonhole. The student can be asked to make two groups and say which group has more, less, equal objects. The student may do this on the basis of one-to-one correspondence or just by observation. Circle the group with more sea creatures. Count and circle. Circle the group with less sea creatures. Week 4 theme is counting and developing number sense. The student may be asked to arrange the objects in a linear order and demonstrate the counting of objects by reciting number names and pointing to one object at a time. Ask the student to repeat the same. This will help the student in remembering the number names in order and also to initiate the process of counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Form a group by adding one object at a time and counting. Up till now, the numberness and number sense is developing by listening and speaking. This is a plate. One apple. 1. Now, 1 and 1 more make 2. 2 and 1 more make 3. 3 and 1 more make 4. 4 and 1 more make 5. Provide opportunities for the student to make a group of objects having a given number, like making group of 3 colors each or drawing 10 dots on a sheet of paper, floor, etc. Count the objects and match the group of objects having the same number. Now count 5 and 5 balls. 3 and 3. 4 and 4. Provide opportunities to count objects. For instance, the student may take out objects up to 9 objects from a given collection of objects, such as picking any 8 spoons, 4 beads, 6 ice cream sticks from the given box, and to take out objects up to 20 objects from a given collection of objects. Take out 5 spoons from the given collection. Now take 5 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The student can be asked to count objects in the vicinity like the number of glasses in the kitchen, the number of chairs in the room, the number of family members, etc. less than 20. Now count the chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us count our family members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show a number chart or number card to the student and read the numeral. Also, ask the student to take out the card having the symbol for a particular number from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count the things and say aloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.